Erica, and I am the owner of Beaded Phoenix. Welcome to the Beaded Phoenix Waistbead tutorial. Today, we will be focusing on how to tie your waist beads. In order to do that, you must have your 3 items. Those are, of course, your Beaded Phoenix Waistbeads. This one is Desert Storm that I made for myself, and I also included a elephant charm on this, so I will be using this on me today. You will also need a pair of scissors so you can cut your strand. And then you will also need a jar, and this jar is to catch all the excess beads once you cut your strand. Okay, so once you have all 3 of those, we're going to go ahead and pick up our strands again, our waist beads. All right, and here you should have some room. Make sure you have room on both sides. You can see that there's some space between the bead and the knot. Once you make sure there is some space, go ahead and wrap that around. Okay. And the space is for so you can be able to slide your beads up and down when you figure out what kind of position you want your beads in. So as you can see right now, I have on latte. Latte is located here. It's between the waist and the high hip area. So I want to focus on going below latte. Okay, make sure when you tie your beads, it's pretty straight. You don't want it up here and then tie it down like that. So make sure you have it on pretty straight like that. It's okay, you can do it in a mirror, in your bathroom or wherever you might have a mirror in the hallway. So go ahead and find that special area of where you want to tie your beads and slide those beads down so you can see that little available area of the strand. Okay? So mine is going to be around here. Don't pinch too hard. You don't want to make it tight. You want to make sure you have some extra area because our bodies do fluctuate throughout the month. All right? So once you have them in space, go ahead and tuck one under. And flip it over like that. Okay? And again, you want to make sure you have some room right here. Okay? And make sure I'm good to go. Okay, so this is the part where you want to go over to your jar that's close by, and you are going to cut the end of the bead where the knots are, or right above the knots, whatever is easiest for you. And don't worry if your beads splatter all over the place, it happens. But the good thing is we can just clean that up, right? So go ahead and go over your jar, cut low, closest to the knot as possible. You can hear them falling. All right, that's one strand I have. And we're gonna do the second one. All right. Have a couple of dabblers there. A few more. And then we're good to go. All right. So you guys with me? All right. So we're gonna go ahead and tie that. Like I said, don't tie it too tight. You wanna make sure your body can fluctuate within the waist bead. All right, let's go ahead and tie a knot. I'm gonna tie a couple of knots. Okay, there we go. Tie mine real good. So that's one knot. Two knots. Third knot. Real good. And then we're gonna go back behind the bead like that. and tie it again. All right, use all your strength to make sure it's nice and tight. All right, so you can see I have that room there. Then you're going to take your scissors. You're going to cut close to the knot as possible. Please don't cut the knot. So take your time when you're cutting the extra strands. There's one. And there's two. All right. So you can see my little charm. And of course, you know, we're gonna move and move. I work out in them, I go to the gym. They don't bother me. They hang over my pants just like this. Or you can also, you know, tuck them in. If you're a person that likes to work out, you can tuck them in like that. If you're afraid that they might pop, but mine hasn't. The string that is used is pretty durable. Or you can go like that. All right, so I'll show you one more time. We have Latte at the top. This one right here. I'm just gonna let her rest. And then we have Desert Storm right here. And it's resting right there. Okay, ladies. That is it. Now you are a beaded babe. Thanks for watching How to Tie on a Waist Bead with Beaded Phoenix, Erica, myself. Go ahead and check out our Instagram. It can be found at Beaded Phoenix. And also check out the website. You will see we have a traditional and phenomenal collection. The traditional is your monoline colors. The phenomenal is your multi-line colors. And of course, we will be having special collections as well. So go ahead and check out the website. It's www.beaded-phoenix.com. Again, the Instagram is Beaded Phoenix, and the website is www.beaded-phoenix.com. All right, thanks again, and please enjoy your waist beads.